Wheels monster trucks, new for 2020. Ladies and gentlemen, we get the Power Wheels Bigfoot edition in the Hot Wheels monster truck collection in the 1/24 scale. It has giant wheels. I'm not going to take it out of the box, so I think we'll be okay by showing you with it in the box. Check out that flame job on the here on the side of the truck. You have monster trucks, kind of for like the Monster Truck Live Tour, Summit Racing. There's Power Wheels, Hot Wheels, Firestone, and then the Bigfoot Power Wheels logo. Very cool. That flame job is awesome. You can see that the motor is coming out from the roof of the hood. It would have been a little bit cooler, I think, if they could have took that, not have that, and just have without the motor sticking out of the truck, and the front Power Wheels, and just those headlights. And maybe one of you remember having one of these driving around when you were younger. On the back it has Bigfoot Racing Team. And let's go ahead on the side of the truck. I mean, not on the side, on the back of the box. Let's go ahead. There we go. And the name: Bigfoot Truck Type, Pickup, Strength, Car Crushing, Shocks, Crash Attack, Original Stomp, Motivation, to be always be groundbreaking. Now, back a couple years, we had another version of the Power Wheels Bigfoot, so let's take a look at that. It has the same flame job and everything. This was from Funrise back in 1996, so it has a sticker here, Just Say No, Ford sticker, Trailmaster sticker. You know, you still have the Firestone sticker. It says Penda. Maybe many of you remember the Penda series on television. And when we turn it around, here's the front of the truck. It has Bigfoot. Doesn't have the flames though coming up to on the hood of the truck. Maybe that would be too much going on. I don't know. But the back of, is the other side of the truck, and then the back of the truck says Bigfoot, and it has a Ford sticker. Now also it has two buttons here on the back of the cab area, and they were for the lights. Here's an American flag that you could pull out and it would stay. On the other side it broke off, and it says, "Have you flown a Ford lately?" A little sticker. So you press one of these lights and the engine and lights sound effects would happen. So maybe I can do a little bit of a video of these fun school Bigfoots in another video and show you about them. And I have a couple of them, and I have also snakebite as well. So let me know down in the comments if you would like to see a review of these Bigfoot toys back in the day. So there you have it. Thank you for tuning in. Hopefully you enjoyed this review